Hi, Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you are all healthy at home. And in our previous class, we have discussed about basic knowledge what we should have before learning social studies subject. About those things we have discussed there. Children, today I wanted to start your syllabus. Before that, I would like to introduce some new terms to you all, okay, about map, globe, how they are, and some of your parents were asking that. Without knowing those, how can you go for that social lesson? Okay, so first lesson. So that I would like to introduce some new things which will come in this social studies subject. Okay, so please look at your screen. I would like to share them on your screen. Yeah, they are here. Yeah, it is the real picture of our earth. See, our earth is exactly like this. It is the real picture of our earth. It is taken by the space when our scientists they visited the space. When they went to the space, from there they have took photo, and also some of the satellites which were sent by our scientists, those satellites have taken photos of these this photo from the space, and they sent them to the earth. So this is the real. It is in this you see how is our earth, in what shape it is. See here, it is in the round shape, spherical shape, or sphere shape we are calling it, sphere shape. So round shape we are calling it. Okay, our earth is in round shape, and here what are all the things we are seeing in the blue color? They are all oceans. Okay, nearly 71% of our earth is covered by oceans. Water only, completely 71% of water we have around our earth. And here these brown color and green color areas are there, no, they are called as land areas, or we are calling them continents. In your next in the first chapter itself, and first and second chapter itself, you will learn about those two things. Continents means what, oceans means what. Here these are the land areas, brown color and green color what we are seeing on this image. Okay, it is the exact picture of our earth which is taken by the moon or the space, by our satellites or by the scientists. Okay, next, see, our earth, it is considered as a globe. Globe, what is globe? It is the real model of our earth. How is our earth? Like that only it is prepared in the round shape only. For the balancing they have put this stand and other thing. Black color it is there, no, it is the stand to put the globe. And also we can rotate this globe. Okay, we can rotate this globe. So this is the real model of the earth, or true model of the earth is called a globe. It is a true model of our earth. How is our earth? It is in round shape. In the same shape only they have created this globe. Is it clear? It is considered as globe. Here colors, the blue color it is there, no? As I said, it is the ocean part. Oceans only they are, and yellow and other different colors they have given, no? They are all land areas, lands. On those land areas only we are all living. Our earth, our India is also it is there. It is in pink color this side. Okay, so there you can search, you can ask your parents also, where is India in this? So they will tell you, they will show you. So I hope I am clear about the globe. It is globe. So this globe is used to know about the shape of our earth. How is our earth? To know the shape. Ball, you know, that ball will be in what shape? It will be in round shape, no? Like that our earth also it is in round shape only, right? Round shape only, like a ball. Our earth is like a ball. Then after that, see that earth only, that globe what we saw, that round shape of our earth, same thing it is here. So here all the oceans and all the continents are here, land areas are here, different land areas and different oceans are here. Then to know clearly about these all the land areas and then oceans, we are creating maps. How we are creating maps? This round shape map we are going to open it, and we are making it as in the rectangular shape. Yeah, rectangular shape, it is rectangular shape. Okay, there in the maths you are learning, no, rectangle shape there. So that round shaped earth only it will be opened like this, and it will be kept on this map. Okay, So here what we see, this is our world, our earth. So which are the continents are there here? All the continents are there here. So and all the oceans are there here. Mainly there are 4 oceans and 7 continents. All the continents and oceans are existed on our earth. So this is, by seeing this map, it is considered as a world map. Whole world is here. All the continents and all the oceans are present here. Okay, then, so about this is also one of the part in our social studies lessons or subject. So these will come in your next lessons. And then our India, we are all living in India. Before that, where is our India on this world map? That we should know. So our India is in Asia continent, which is given in the pink color, that is Russia, like that, there is RUSSIA, Russia is there, no, that's below it is there Mongolia, yellow color, that's below it is there orange color China, that's below it is there dark yellow color, it is considered as India. India is located in Asia continent. So India is located in which continent? If you got this question, you must tell the answer like this: India is located in Asia continent. Then India. So our India is like this. In our India, in the previous class, I told you about total number of states and union territories in India. So total number of states are 28 in India, and union territories, UTs. What are those? Union territory means what? State means what? Those things also you will learn in this year only. In the lessons, when that lesson will come to you, surely I will explain to you all what is a state and what is a union territory. Okay, here 28 states and 8 union territories are there, no, though. And here bottom to the southern part, the direction also it is given here. It is north, top part is north part, bottom part is south part, and this is south part, and this is north part, and this is east part. Look at that red point where I am moving. Okay, it is east part and it is west part. North, south, east, west. Look at this properly. And Karnataka is here. Our state Karnataka is here, where I am showing that cursor point, red point, that is our state. Now we are living in this state, Karnataka state. Okay, our India's map is like this, and all the states are located here, and our Karnataka state is in the southern part of the India, south part of our India. It is here. Then, yeah, it is our Karnataka state in India. So our country is India. In India, Karnataka is our state. It is our state. Look at it. And our Ballari is here. We are all living in this district. And in Ballari there is a taluk called Agribomnadi. We are all living in Agribomnadi taluk. It is Ballari district, and it is our Karnataka state. How many districts are there in Karnataka state? I gave you that point no in my previous class. Yes, there are 30 districts at present in our Karnataka state. 30 districts at present in our Karnataka state. It is our Karnataka state. Okay, we are all living in this part where I am showing the red dot, that is Ballari. In this district we are all living. It is Karnataka map. I hope I am clear about these maps. We have discussed about globe. Globe, after our shape of our earth is round. After that world map. In that world map we have discussed about Asia continent. In that Asia continent, where is India? That also I had shown. After the Asia continent, we discussed about India. In India, about our Karnataka state, I told you. This is Karnataka state. In Karnataka state, we are all living in this Ballari district. So, it is the thing. These are the things we should know before going for the lesson. Then it is your subject book for this year. For this academic year, social studies for juniors. So this is the textbook is there for you. In this there are 5 units. In that first unit are there two chapters. One is the earth, our home, how our earth looks, and in the second unit are there 5 chapters. In second unit are there 5 chapters. And when you come to the next unit, third unit, are there here 5 chapters. 5 chapters are there in the third unit, and in the fourth unit are there 4 chapters, and in the fifth unit are there 2 chapters. So like that, there are total 18 chapters for you in this new academic year. Okay, in the social studies subject are there 18 chapters. In my tomorrow's class or in the next class, I am going to explain you about the first chapter in the first unit, the earth our home. Earth is our home. We are all living on this earth, so that we are calling our earth as a home. This whole earth is considered as our home. We are all living on this. About this lesson, it is one of the important and beautiful lesson. So how we are living and why we are living on earth only, why can't we live on other planets? These are all the things we will learn in this lesson. I hope I am clear about these all the things. I am going to start your lesson in my next class, so please get ready. Okay, whenever you come for the social studies class, you please bring your CW 4-line notebook. I told you, that 4-line notebook, pencil and eraser. So please write with pencil, don't use pen. Is it clear? Only pencil you need to use until we tell you to write in the write with the pen. So till that you need to write in the pencil only. Use pencil always. Okay, then homework for you today, and about HW and CW I need to tell you. CW and HW 200 page 4-line notebook you can purchase. Take in that 200 page 4-line notebook, you make it 2 parts. First part can be used as a CW. Whatever we points we are giving you in our classes, these points can be written in the CW part. And what are all the points we are giving as a homework, those points can be written in the HW part. Homework can be written in the HW, and classwork in the class what we are discussing about these all the things we have to note points in the CW. Is it clear? So make 200 page 4-line notebook. In that make 2 parts, 1 part CW, 1 part HW. I hope I am clear about your all the doubts. If you have any doubts for further information, please call me. Okay, I will give you clarification and I will clear your doubts. Okay, homework for today, list the names of 30 districts of Karnataka state in HW. In the HW part you can write all the 30 districts names which are there in this slide. Already I shown you, know. Yes, here are there. So these are all the districts names you can mention right in the HW part. Is it clear? Okay. I hope I am clear. See you in my next class. Take care. See you tomorrow.